Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into the beastly yet luxurious 2025 Kenworth Motorhome W900, a true fusion of raw trucking power and high-end comfort. From the outside, the W900 keeps its iconic long-nose semi-truck design, but with a twist. It's been reimagined for motorhome living with a custom-built body, aerodynamic trims, and a polished chrome grille that screams presence on the highway. Under the hood, this machine packs a Packer MX-13 engine, producing up to 510 horsepower and over 1,850 lb-ft of torque. It's built to tow heavy, cruise smoothly, and dominate even the steepest roads. Paired with an automated 12-speed transmission, it brings both muscle and ease to long hauls. Step inside, and the game changes entirely. The W900 Motorhome is like a luxury apartment on wheels. You're greeted by high-end leather seats, a full entertainment setup, and rich wooden accents. The living area includes a smart TV, recliners, and panoramic windows that make even remote locations feel like home. The kitchen is fully functional, with a full-size fridge, convection microwave, and induction cooktop, all powered by a solar-assisted battery system. The bedroom features a queen-size bed with memory foam, climate control, and hidden storage throughout. And yes, there's even a modern bathroom with a standing shower, giving you every convenience of a high-end RV. This 2025 W900 isn't just about looks and luxury. It's built for those who want power, presence, and a plush lifestyle on the entourage move. Whether you're exploring the Rockies or parking at a racetrack, the Kenworth W900 Motorhome delivers the ultimate road trip experience.